This video, I'm going to go over this Hisense Roku 43-inch TV. This is a smart TV that has full HD resolution, slim bezel design, Dolby audio, auto gaming mode, and Roku experience. So if you're like me and you've got other Roku TVs, I highly recommend this TV right here. I'm in my bedroom right here and I just wanted to have a nice little TV, and I'm just going to show you real quick on what I did to install this and everything you get with it. So here's the manual that came with mine. This was not with it. This actually went to the bracket on the TV because I had another one up there that I took down. You get a quick start guide right here. You get two of these little legs and feet right here and some screws for screwing them in, because you can mount this either on a TV stand or, like me here, to the wall where it's this adjustable like TV mount right there. That's really handy. And I also kind of hid the wires kind of down and ran the wires along there. Very simple. So I only have one cord going to this, which is just the power cord. And then you also, there's a couple of things. You get this remote to it, so the remote works extremely well. But what I like about this is it's got the Roku app. So pulling up the Roku app, when you pull it up, I'm very pleased with this app. It works really well. You can go right here and I can use this as a remote. By the way, I recommend getting Prime because Prime has all kinds of like movies, TV shows, and all of that. So once the Prime's pulled up, I can do movies. We'll go down and pick a movie out right here. So let's say we want to do, so I was just watching a movie, so let's check this out. Check out how nice this thing looks. Let me actually turn the light off, and then it comes in a little better. There's different modes you can go with this. Look how good that looks, everybody. Check it out. Turn it up right there. There's one thing that I would say, it doesn't have big speakers on it. The speakers are built into the bottom there. They're not the highest level speakers, but if you're going to, honestly, for a bedroom, I think this is a perfect TV because I don't really need a sound bar or high-powered speakers in a bedroom. Let me show you the side of this thing. So you get a USB port there, you get 1, 2, 3 HDMI ports, you get an old school kind of antenna port. That's an AV in port, that is a headphone out port, and this is a digital audio cable out coming right there, which is like those light cables. Those are actually really good if you're going to run a sound bar on this, because you can run a sound bar. The speakers are right up under here, and I think the speakers are good enough for like a bedroom type TV. I don't see any issues with this thing at all, but you could always get I recommend the Hisense audio bar, the sound bar. That worked really well. I got one of those too. But I don't see any problems with that at all.
And that is a cruel twist of fate.
My TV in my living room is a lot more higher quality and a little bigger, but then there's no reason why you can't just do the 43-inch TV. And here, I think it works just fine. And I recommend this for anyone that's just looking for a good TV for like a bedroom or maybe even like a garage or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Hisense, Roku 43-inch TV. See you on the next video.